Virtual reality is the future of entertainment. Current headsets offer great visuals and impressive audio, but never before have you been able to reach out and touch the virtual world. Introducing VRgluv. We love VR. We've been excited by the possibilities since we put our first headset on years ago. We set out with one simple goal: create an affordable glove to bring your hands into virtual reality.
When we had the idea for the haptic gloves, we were really excited about tackling this challenge as a team. And at Kicker, we have a passion for solving the toughest engineering challenges. We have a really great team of 25 engineers, ranging from mechanical engineering to electrical engineering to industrial design and software engineering. So we really understand what it takes to bring a product from concept through to production. We have designed and manufactured a variety of products, including smart wearables, cutting-edge medical devices, and industrial robotics. And now we're really excited to take our experience and passion and bring it to VRgluv.
The foundation of VRgluv's technology is our high-fidelity finger and hand tracking. We use existing technology from Oculus and Vive to measure your hand and wrist position. And there are additional sensors throughout the glove that measure the movements of your individual fingers. VRgluv is compatible with both Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. We have custom adapters that you can easily slide on and off, so your installation takes only a couple of seconds. There's an internal rechargeable battery pack that lasts up to 4 hours. We have a low latency wireless interface, which means there's no getting pulled back by wires. Having your hands in virtual reality is a truly immersive experience. Imagine catching a virtual ball, pulling a virtual trigger, and even feeling the release of a virtual arrow. Using our base tracking technology, we pushed even further to develop a system that allows you to feel the size and shape of virtual objects. By physically stopping your fingers from moving and measuring how hard you're squeezing, we can create objects that actually feel real. Imagine picking up a virtual balloon and squeezing it until it pops, or grabbing a spring and feeling it push back on your fingers. These are experiences you can only have with VRgluv.
We know great experiences make great VR. That's why we're partnering with developers around the world to add support to existing content for VRgluv. Additionally, our easy-to-use SDK makes it simple for developers to create new and exciting content for VRgluv. After countless hours of work and many prototypes, we are so excited to bring VRgluv to you later this year. Pledge now to be the first to touch virtual reality. Thank you for your support.
VR games rely on sight and sound alone to engage the user. Never before has hardware existed to let you feel the virtual world. Until now. Immerse yourself in the sensation of touch and experience virtual reality gaming like never before. This is the Hardlight suit.
Hi, my name is Morgan Cinco. I am the CEO and founder of Nullspace VR, and these are my co-founders.
I'm Jordan Brooks, Head of Product.
I'm Lucian Copeland, Head of R&D.
The Hardlight suit is a haptic feedback vest designed specifically for VR gaming. It uses vibration pads and sensors to transform in-game actions into real-world sensations.
Haptics are your sense of touch. Haptic pads allow us to reproduce those same sensations. The Hardlight suit features 16 individually activated haptic pads, enabling extremely precise touch feedback. Feel a sword clash against your armor. Experience a virtual rainstorm. Or even box with your friends. It's all possible with the Hardlight suit.
The Hardlight suit uses inertial sensors to mirror physical movements in-game. Raise your arm to deflect bullets, curve your back to dodge arrows, or punch a zombie in the face. The Hardlight tracking system also lets you see your entire avatar, not just a pair of floating hands and a head.
We designed the Hardlight suit to be adjustable and breathable, so people of all body types can game comfortably. Adjustable straps on the abdomen, arms, and shoulders allow users to custom fit the suit to their body.
Great games are the key to great VR. We're launching with 10 awesome Hardlight compatible games, but that's just the start. Our easy-to-use API makes it simple for developers to add Hardlight compatibility to existing games. And our hardware development kit is already in the hands of developers across VR platforms. We've also created a huge library of immersive haptic effects so that developers can quickly add realistic sensations to their games. We've also developed an audio-only mode, which enables simplified audio-based haptics in all the games you love.
Once you try really good haptic feedback, you will notice what it's like to not have it. You get dialed into, with more senses than ever, your experience, and you're able to perform at a level that you were never able to perform at before.
With the support of experienced manufacturing partners and scalable part suppliers, we're prepared to ship the Hardlight suit to Kickstarter backers around the world.
Our vision for Nullspace VR is to bridge the virtual and real worlds by making haptic feedback available to everyone. To that end, we've spent years designing and prototyping the Hardlight suit into the finished, gamer-ready product it is today. Now, all we need is the support of VR enthusiasts like you to back our Kickstarter and be the first to experience the next generation of VR gaming.
Hi, I'm Kay. The first time when I put on Oculus Rift, I said, wow! Then I made a stupid movement. I stepped forward and hit my desk. Then I realized I need something to literally walk into virtual reality.
Catwalk is a new omnidirectional treadmill input device. The main problem Catwalk solves is to move within a small space in reality and achieve limitless and continuous movement in virtual reality. With its built-in and wearable sensors, you can literally walk, run, backwards, jump, crouch, and sit in the virtual world. Different games call for different movements. Catwalk allows you to switch actions anytime you want. You can even sit down to drive or fly when a game requires it. Key features.
Catwalk aims to allow users to walk freely through virtual worlds. Therefore, the constraint should be as low as possible. That's why we designed the independent open construction.
We started the project since 2013, and we have made quite a bit of prototypes. During developing and testing, we noticed that in many games, you want to perform different actions with your arms and legs. It was annoying and disappointing if these movements are constrained. And while in a virtual world, you can't see the real one. If there are devices near your arms and legs, you may hit something or get hurt. The creative Catwalk independent support structure and open construction sets your arms and legs free. First, it is very easy to get in. Without a ring or column surrounding you, you can move freely and securely without constraint or worry about hitting anything. You can swing your arms naturally or put your hands to rest down by your sides, getting closer to a natural walk posture. Catwalk has not just simply removed the column and the ring. Our unique design can limit the horizontal moving range and control the vertical movement function while walking and running. It can automatically provide 35 cm vertical moving range while jumping, crouching, and sitting. Meanwhile, it can help users move back to center to adjust the position offset while walking, which can increase the sense of balance and safety.
To achieve a natural walking feeling, we do not just simulate the human movement and position, but also simulate the actual forces and feelings of walking in real life.
When we walk in real life, friction is what propels us forward. Frictionless walking is awkward, like walking on ice, if you must pay attention to keep balance. Catwalk uses high-friction material surface and uses a constant force of rolling friction to simulate real walking forces and human motion. This makes you feel like you are walking on real ground instead of sliding walk. With normal friction, it is easier to keep balance, and it will decrease the time it takes anyone to learn to use Catwalk. Catwalk uses a lower cambered base to transfer potential energy to kinetic energy and to reproduce the movement locus. All of this is to achieve a more natural feeling of walking.
We got a little surprise for you, the swing chair. If you have already exhausted your game budget, you can write this one off as a decorating expense.
Seriously though, you can use it to enjoy relaxing virtual reality games or applications in a comfortable way. Just sit back and relax. Our software can transfer body motion to keyboard or gamepad. This means all the games with keyboard or gamepad support will be playable. We are also developing our own SDK and demo to achieve analog movement and independent walking and looking direction.
Cat VR is a company with great ideas. The hanging chair and free movement being two of my favorite. The experience of being able to wander through virtual worlds with your own 2 feet is something truly magical. Final word, I've tried it and I won't.
Omnidirectional Treadmill is a very important input device for virtual reality, and it is also a very interesting research area. Catwalk is using a very unique way to do this, and I really cannot wait to get my hands on it and try to do some fancy stuff by using it.
As a developer, we usually avoid letting users move around freely. Conflicts between the visual and bodily sense easily cause simulator sickness. Now, with Catwalk, we can finally let them walk free. One small step for us, one big step for VR.
The prototype you see here is kind of big. This was made to prove our brand new solution. We already have all the plans to make it smaller and lighter. With your help, we can make it a real product and enter the manufacturing process.
Join us. Let's make this project to reality together.